Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to apply for Esaad card. First, you will need to check the eligibility. The Esaad card is primarily available to UAE government employees, employees of participating semi-government and private organizations, if they have a partnership with Esaad. Confirm your organization is enrolled in the Esaad program by consulting your HR department. Second, prepare necessary documents. Emirates ID or a valid government employee ID. Employment verification letter if required by your organization. Then contact your HR department. The HR department in your organization is responsible for handling Esaad applications. Submit your document to them and ensure you complete any necessary internal forms. Fourth, wait for approval. Once the application is submitted, the HR team will process it with the Esaad team. If approved, the card is issued within a few weeks. And in the last, download the Esaad official app. After receiving the card, download the Esaad official app in your smartphone, which is available on both iOS and Android. Use the app to view and redeem benefits. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.